Hey, welcome to Doren Metal Art Workshop. Come on in. Welcome back to Doren Metal Art Workshop. This is Alex Van Doren here in the studio with Papa Lane Van Doren and one of our assistants, Nikki. We're taking you behind the scenes today to show you guys actually what we do when we do commission work. So what we're working on over here is a couple of wall hanging fireplaces that folks in San Miguel have ordered from us from the gallery. So I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes, show you some of the techniques that we use to make these and just have fun. So come on. Okay, so what we've got here is one of our wall hanging fireplaces. Now we make them in different shapes, different designs, depending on our mood, what we want to create or what people order from us from commission. This one is for somebody's wall who actually wanted one in their guest bedroom because she said it's always cold in the winter. So what we do is we get these great fire boxes from the States and then we bring them down here. And the cool thing about ethanol is you don't actually have to have any kind of ventilation for it. You don't even have to have an open window. You just pour in the ethanol like a big Zippo lighter, light the thing, and then it just burns and burns. It burns itself out after about 2 or 3 hours depending on the humidity of the room. Or you can actually adjust the flame by using this little lid, which you then slide over the top and close the flame to turn it off. So what we've done here is we took 10 gauge steel, rolled it, plasma cut it, created this amazing frame back here to house it all and look beautiful. Our next process is we're gonna rust out the whole thing. So we'll take you through step by step. I just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of what we're working on today. Come on. Okay, now, we're actually working on a couple different projects today. One is the fireplace is awesome, but we're also actually working on these sweet jewelry trees. Let me show it to you. It is an amazing process of welding and grinding and magic. So what happens is, friend in town who's a jeweler wanted these trees so that she could display her jewelry in a beautiful way where they could all hang at different degrees and variations and all be kind of coming down, but they wouldn't be running into each other. So we construct it so it's actually going to be on the wall like this, and then the jewelry, whether it be bracelet, necklace, earring, ring, will all hang down from different positions. She'll pick those of what's most aesthetically pleasing to her. Now the deal is, what we did with this, let me take you over and show you the raw material. Come on. Now, here's what I'm gonna show you guys, okay? I've got a pretty much finished piece here. All I need to do is put some clear coat paint on this thing and we are done, ready to rock and roll. It is so beautiful, but it didn't start off that way. What it started off as is this boring rod. Okay, so what we've got is, we've got what's called hot rolled rod, which means it's got this mill scale on the outside of it because they basically get this molten hot lava, big bowl of molten steel. And they're putting like car fenders and motors and all sorts of crazy crap in there. So what happens is when it cools and they pour it into this little mold, all of the imperfections go to the outside, which creates this mill scale. If you can see right in the middle here, it's super shiny and awesome, okay? But around the outside is real rough. So I need to use a grinder to take that off. Now this little bad maniac, you guys know about the grinder. I'm gonna tell you about that a little bit more in another show. But what I'm gonna show you now is one application for it, which is that I can take this rod that's super boring and make it super organic and awesome, turn it into what looks like a branch or a tree. And it's like a fingerprint. None of them are ever alike. Watch. Just using pressure. Safety first, always put it down, blade still spinning. But check this out. I just took something that looked like that and I turned it into that. Ooh, sweet. Pretty awesome. So now we've ground. We've made this awesome tree out of what was just these boring rods. And then we bend it all up. So there's so many cool things we're doing in here, but I just want to give you guys an example of something we're working on for commissioned folks in San Miguel. Hey guys, you are in the gallery of Van Doren Studio, and I wanted to bring you guys here to show you what a finished piece looks like. This is one of our smaller commissions. We've actually have been doing a bunch of these for folks for their spare bedrooms, their master bedrooms, their entryways, folks that just want something really interesting on the wall where it is a warmth providing thing, and then when it is off, it is just a beautiful sculpture. So what we did was, like I was talking to you guys about in the studio, we rolled it, we plasma cut it, we made this amazing framework in the back, put a piece of stainless steel behind it to cast both heat and reflection out. And then we got this beautiful firebox in here that's putting out 6,000 BTUs. It's heating this whole space, keeping me warm. And we actually finished with a multi-stage patina process that makes it kind of look like leather. So this is just a little kind of example of things we've done. If you guys want to check out other things over here, we've got these beautiful doors we made for the gallery, just to kind of have a fun example. We just like to play around, do different things. This is a multi-medium piece with both wood and metal. Got tin, aluminum, metal, wood, everything. So lots of pictures here of things we've done in the past. But actually, while I got you guys here, let me show you guys some student art too. These are some finished pieces that students have done that are first timers. These are all pieces from first time students who never had any artistic experience before, never have done anything with metal art. Lots of them have never done anything with art, period. And they're making things like jewelry trees, candelabras, birds, mirrors, abstract sculptures. So the sky's the limit in the workshop. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Again, if you guys want to see something on the episode, let us know. Send us an email, send us a text. Remember to subscribe, like us on Facebook, like us on Instagram, and keep watching. We'll see you guys soon.